Hey y'all, so hopefully by now I've gotten the videos that I've been sitting on for 2 months posted. I've just been holding on to them. I don't know why I hadn't edited and posted them. Probably because I was on a very long break again. It's been a lot going on, and it's just, I got the block because of it. So today we're going to be checking out this brand. They sell a lot on AliExpress and they're pretty low priced, Ursugar. And a couple of people had asked me about it. I had used their cat's eye a while back, and to be honest, I didn't like it. But apparently they changed some things, so we're going to try it out and try out some of their gel polish. I'm going to link everything down below. Don't mind my mess here. I am finally swatching the rest of my gel polish because every time I try something out or get something new, I stick it in a tub and then keep meaning to swatch it and put it up, but I never do. That's why everything's all dusty and it's all out. So last month we got hit twice in 1 month with tornadoes. My neighborhood specifically kept getting hit. Luckily, my house survived, but it was very close, to the point that we saw it hit our yard while we were screaming, running to the basement. Like, it's bad. It's very bad. Luckily, my house survived somehow. I had a brand new trampoline, though, that magically appeared in my pond out back. Not really sure how that happened. Well, I mean, obviously, the tornado picked it up and dropped it, but we got to give that back to whoever it belongs to. Telephone pole on my deck. But today we are checking out Ursugar. I tried, let me be specific, the one I tried of theirs before was cat's eye. Didn't care for it, but apparently they have some new stuff. This stuff is reflective laser magnetic gel. It's their version of cat's eye, so we're going to check it out. I heard good things about this, so I grabbed a couple different things. Brights, neutrals, whatever, of just the regular gel polish. So we're going to look at all of them. Hey, look at this. There's so much of it. I'm a mess, y'all. I'm a mess. Okay. Also, because of the, I have a couple other things coming this week that I'm going to try to get out before I move because everything has to be packed up and, you know, because I did the Kiara Sky Jelly tips and I've tried the Beetle ones and now I have the Born Pretty ones coming because they're a little less expensive. We're just going to keep, you know, I'll wear them for a week, see how they do and show you guys. Now, I got my little handy dandy here, which by the way, this one is, okay, the last magnet that I had was just like, oh cool, you know, a magnet. This thing is just ridiculous. Like it's just insane. Even like the little part, it's like through the plastic. It's aggressive. Anyway, by the way, this little dental pick, best thing ever. All right, so let's get started. Let me get you guys a little bit closer and we are going to take a look at the gel polishes and the cat's eye. Okay, first we are going to take a look at the regular gel polish. I have my black because I just like dark colors with cat's eye. It just looks better to me. You can see a lot more of it. And I have 3 of their gel polish colors, a white, a pastel, and a hot pink, and 2 of the cat's eye. So let's start with it. It's thin, but it's not bad coverage. And that's white. So you can't really see my sticky tack in there, which is surprising because it is pretty thin. Huh, go figure. So we'll do 2 coats, but this is the first coat. This is like a mint green. It's super thin. I'm surprised it's covering it all. Wait, this one was pretty. Yes, I love it. And we'll finish this up before we move to the other one. Oh, it disappears on the pink. All right, second coat. Oh, that is not bad at all. And these are really inexpensive. They have them on AliExpress and Alibaba and just, they're very inexpensive. Well, that's not bad at all. Like I said, I had one of their cat's eye well, I had like five of their cat's eye ones before. But from what I've seen, this stuff, the reflective or whatever it's called, is great. So we are, all right, so great coverage. Excellent coverage. And it didn't ruin my shape. It's not all chunky and blobby at the ends, which I very much enjoy. So let's cure that real close, just so I don't wipe it off with my fingers. Guys, I did my nails. I used this peach from Igor that my friend Carla sent me, and I tried a couple of different things at once that I've been wanting to try, and I didn't think it through how it was going to turn out in the end. I just started doing things because I got these new stickers and some, you know, like confetti, whatever, and Zachary was talking to me, and he was like, "Oh, you got new nails?" And I was like, "Yeah, I don't really like them. I'm not sure why." He said, "Is it because they look like Patrick?" Y'all, shattered. He broke me. I was just stunned. I was like, oh, that might be why, actually. Kids just are brutal. All right, so let's see. Ooh. Okay, so this is supposed to be reflective. So at the, I'll give you guys a peek at what it looks like with the flash at the end. That is very pretty. I like it. And the bottles, these bottles are plastic. The cat's eye, the other ones are glass. So, all right, this one's like a white kind of. I love cat's eye on black. I really do. Get up close. Okay. Now this one is a little thicker than the regular gel polish, probably because of the glitter. Okay, first of all, I like the effect by itself, but I'll use this one because I use the little tips. All right, let's do it this way. Oh, I love it. I like it. It's kind of got a pink haze to it almost. It's weird. It's definitely different. I like it. All right, I keep knocking stuff over, don't mind me. Now this one's kind of like a purplish, like a lavender. I like to do 2 coats and keep the magnet in the same position just because it gives it a more defined kind of look. That's just me though. All right, magnetize it. Ooh, ooh, I like that one. All right, not bad. That's pretty cool. All right, let's do the second coat real quick. Oh. I'm sure you don't need this much. I'm just I tend to overdo it. I always do. I keep picking at it and picking at it until it's too much. Ooh, there's thunder. I swear if there's another tornado, I'm just done. I quit. Like, we had no power for days. There were trees down everywhere. Obviously, my kids were traumatized because we had no Wi-Fi. It was just bad. Like, our whole street was blocked off because there were trees knocked down on either end of it. And all through the middle, too. I honestly just kind of like that one by itself. This magnet is insane. So we'll start here. See, when you do 2 coats, it's just so intense. Like, it just gives it such a... All right, let's cure that, and then I'll be right back because I want to show you guys with the flash, okay? All right, so I have my my camera light thingy on. The reflective isn't playing at all. That's awesome. But you can see the magnetic thingamajig, whatever you call it, the swipe, but it's very pronounced, and that reflective is insane. That's so cool. Okay, so lights on. There we go. So yeah, I definitely like these ones. Definitely. And the gel polish, look at that. You can see the difference on the sides from this one to like these, because obviously these are thicker, how it kind of rounded out on the edges, but these ones didn't. They're still nice and crisp because the gel polish was thinner while still covering, which is important. But anyway, I'm gonna put a link down below to their website. You can also find them, like I said, on AliExpress, Alibaba. I think you can find them on Amazon too. But yeah, check them out. I love it. I'm excited. Typically when you get the budget brands, they're okay. They just don't quite stack up, but I love it. All right, so hopefully I will be posting again very, very soon. I will be doing the Born Pretty jelly tips before my move. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.